Welcome to LearnActiware.com, your resource for tutorials and trainings on the Actiware software and the Actiwatch devices. In this tutorial, we're going to discuss how to download the Actiwatch Spectrum Pro and Plus devices. In the previous video, we showed you how to configure a device to collect data. In this video, we will assume that the subject has been wearing the device and is now returned to have some data retrieved or downloaded. Go ahead and slide open the USB door on the back of the device and connect it to a micro USB cable. If not already open, open the Actiware software and the communications console by selecting Communications, Actiwatch Console. And we can select the model of device we're working with, which in this case is the Actiwatch Spectrum Pro. As you can see here, its current status shows collecting data, and it is the subject we had configured it for previously. It is important that you select the model of device that you're working with, otherwise the options at the bottom of the screen will not enable. I am now going to go ahead and select the Retrieve option. This process is mostly automatic and will start downloading data right away. Once the data are downloaded, it will prompt you with a screen asking what you want to do next. By default, Launch Actigram is selected, and you can select Show Clinician's Report. But for the purposes of this training, I am not going to select it. We will cover how to generate a clinician's report in a later video. I'm going to go ahead and select Save Data, which will write the retrieved data to my database. As mentioned earlier, we may see this screen several times discussing the demo database. Another screen will now come up prompting me for what to do with the device next. In most cases, you will select Put the Actiwatch to sleep for later use. However, there are situations where the other options may be useful to you. We won't cover them here, but feel free to use these options if they fit your needs. In this situation, I have selected Put Actiwatch to sleep for later use, and I'm going to select Next. It's going to indicate it will not collect data while it's in sleep mode. I'm going to say Put the Actiwatch to sleep. As I'm going to be storing this device after I'm done with it, I'm going to make sure it's fully charged. Please do take a moment and refer to the device maintenance video for proper care of the battery in this device. As you can see, the software has let us know that the device has now been put to sleep. It will continue to charge while it is connected to the computer, but once it's unplugged, it will go to sleep. It is safe to put a fully charged device into storage for up to 10 months. Once you select OK, the software will return you to the communications console and open the Actigram. In this tutorial, we've reviewed how to retrieve data from an Actiwatch Spectrum Pro and Plus device. Please find this tutorial and similar videos at www.learnactiware.com and visit us at www.actigraphy.com.